What if I told you the French have cracked the code for the perfect family hatchback? Well, the 2025 Peugeot 308 Hybrid might just prove me right. This isn't your typical grocery getter. This is French sophistication wrapped in a practical package that's ready to take on the German giants. Let me tell you what makes this car special. The moment you see it, you know it's different. The 308's design is absolutely stunning, with those signature saber-tooth LED headlights and a grille that commands attention. Peugeot has lowered the stance by 20 mm and stretched the wheelbase by 55 mm, giving it a sleek, premium look that easily rivals cars costing thousands more. But here's where things get really interesting. The 308 Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering either 180 or 225 horsepower depending on the variant you choose. The plug-in hybrid system offers up to 40 miles of pure electric driving, perfect for those daily commutes where you want to run silent and emission-free. Now let's talk about that interior. Peugeot's i-Cockpit design is genuinely impressive. You get a compact steering wheel that feels sporty in your hands, a crisp 10-inch touchscreen with customizable shortcut buttons, and a 3D digital instrument cluster that looks like it belongs in a car twice the price. The materials feel premium, the fit and finish is excellent, and the overall ambiance screams quality. Here's what surprised me most about driving the 308 Hybrid. In electric mode, it's whisper quiet and incredibly smooth. The transition between electric and petrol power is seamless, though I did notice some slight hesitation in the drivetrain during aggressive acceleration. The steering feels responsive thanks to that small wheel, but don't expect hot hatch levels of engagement. This is more GT than track weapon. The ride quality strikes a nice balance between comfort and control. It's softer than a Focus, but more composed than you might expect from a French car. On the motorway, it excels with excellent refinement and noise isolation, making long journeys genuinely pleasant. Practicality-wise, you get 361 liters of boot space in the Hybrid, which is respectable for this class. Rear seat space has improved thanks to that longer wheelbase, though the plug-in hybrid does add around 300 kilograms compared to the standard petrol model. So should you buy one? If you want something that stands out from the Golf and Focus crowd, absolutely. The 308 Hybrid offers distinctive French style, impressive technology, and that all-important plug-in hybrid efficiency. It's not the most exciting car to drive, but as a premium family hatchback that makes a statement, it's hard to fault. The 2025 Peugeot 308 Hybrid proves that sometimes being different is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.